So our company is Exintek. We are a Dutch original equipment manufacturer of modular alkaline electrolyzers. We are in Europe. It's located in the map. We're a tiny country, but Netherlands is a very highly innovative country. Following up on that, Exintech has developed a disruptive technology for alkaline, modular, scalable alkaline process. So we have three locations in the Netherlands. Our scientific center from which I am joining the talk is in Delft. You may have heard of the university in Delft, TU Delft. So we are very close there. I've also done my PhD there. So there are some good connections with the knowledge institutes with us. We have a hydrogen hub where our hydrogen system is currently operating is in the middle of the Netherlands, is outside of Barneveld, and our head office is closer to the German border. So the Netherlands is small. Going from one side to the other may take about 2-3 hours. So it's not that far away compared to locations in the US. So looking at the market, before jumping into the electrolysis, I want to put a little bit of perspective how Exintex sees the market. Basically, we arbitrarily divide market into three segments. So we look at residential market and the large industry. For large industry, you can think of steam methane reforming market, high volumes of hydrogen or natural gas needed. You're talking about constant loads for producing really at gigawatt scale. Residential market we see as individual households, maybe 150 kilowatts, 200 kilowatts maximum. And whatever is kind of in between is for us the middle market. So these are medium to small industries are still depending on energy sources from different kinds, either electricity or natural gas. It can be also ammonia, and these are the industries that need to become green with time. So it can be from policy side. Also in Europe, there are at the European Union level, there are policies to move towards a green industry. But it can also be the incentive of the company or of the business itself. And what happens is these industries are not necessarily centralized, or these companies. So you want to develop systems that can serve these industries in a decentralized way, relying on sustainable energy sources such as solar energy or wind energy. As you may know, in many locations, you may have grid capacity limitations. So, basically producing that amount of hydrogen, you may not have the available grid structure to do that. So, if you can think of a system that can be flexible enough to work with flexible power, and you can scale it because it's standardized, so it's modular, you can easily scale it, and you have a low maintenance system. You can set up decentralized locations and you can produce hydrogen, and you can also consume it at the location. And of course, you can also transport hydrogen.